as you can see. This is 5,000 watts. You can see 12 liters. This can pound your yam. Very easy, very simple, very fast. You pack your yam inside. Very easy, very simple, very fast. Sonic Kitchen made Japan. If it's not Sonic Kitchen made Japan, don't buy. Sonic Kitchen made Japan blender as seen on TV. Under 2 seconds. Sonic Kitchen made Japan. You can see it pound your yam. Sonic Kitchen made Japan pound your yam. Very easy, very simple, very fast. You see your yam pound. You pack your unripe plantain inside. Sonic Kitchen made Japan as seen on TV. If it is not Sonic Kitchen made Japan, it can never be like Sonic Kitchen made Japan. If it is not Sonic Kitchen made Japan, don't buy. For your unripe plantain, you can see it pound your unripe plantain. Very easy, very simple, very fast. For people with diabetes, you can see your unripe plantain a pound. Same for Sonic Kitchen made Japan for beans, for akara beans, for moi moi. As you can see, it blend your beans very, very smooth, very easy, very fast. As you can see your beans for moi moi. For your beans, for moi moi, beans for akara, very easy, very simple, very fast. As you can see, for your beans for moi moi, your beans for akara, as you can see. If it is not Sonic Kitchen made Japan, it can never be like Sonic Kitchen made Japan. It blend your tomato very easy, very simple, very fast. As you can see, for your tomato, you pack your tomato inside. Very easy, very simple, very fast. As you can see, Sonic Kitchen made Japan as seen on TV. If it is not Sonic Kitchen made Japan, don't buy. It can blend your tomato very easy, very simple, very fast. Your tomato, your pepper, your ginger, your carrot, your crayfish, anything blending very easy, very simple, very fast. Also your meat for meat pie, your fish for fish roll. You see, you parboil your meat or your fresh meat, pack it inside. Very easy, very simple, very fast. Your meat for meat pie, fish for fish roll. As you can see your meat, very easy, very simple, very fast. You see your meat, very, very easy, very, very simple, very fast. Sonic Kitchen made Japan. If it is not Sonic Kitchen made Japan, don't buy. For okra, you see, you pack your okra. Very easy, very simple, very fast. Pack your okra. As seen on TV. Sonic Kitchen made Japan. You chop your okra, very simple, as seen. Also for your smoothie juice, you can do your tiger nut, your coconut, your carrot, your debino, anything hard. You see, you pack it inside your tiger nut, your coconut, your debino. You pack it inside your ginger. All of them pack it inside. Carrot, pack it inside. Very easy, very simple, very fast. As you can see now. As seen on TV, Sonic Kitchen made Japan as seen on TV. Add little water. Opportunity come but once. Sonic Kitchen made Japan as seen on TV. You can see for your smoothie juice, you see, it do blend your smoothie very easy, very simple, very fast. As you can see your smoothie, very, very easy, very, very simple, very, very fast. As you can see, Sonic Kitchen made Japan. As you can see, it is water resistant. As you see, you can soak it inside water. Water does not affect it. Soak it inside water. Water resistant. As you can see, you plug it, it continue working. Sonic Kitchen made Japan. When you buy one Sonic Kitchen made Japan, we go with juice extractor free. Any product you buy on promo, we are right now on promo. When you buy one yam pounder, you go with manual juicer free. You buy one yam pounder, we go with the juicer free of charge. You go with juicer free with this, you can juice anything juiceable.